What's up, YouTube? I'm back. I told you on my last video that I had started my candle company, and that's where I've been. Pop-ups all around the area. But I'm back to make a video. I'm going to show you how to make a candle today. Before I get started, I want to tell you about my name, Twisted Flames Candle Co. I played on the phrase twin flames. I'm not going to go into great detail. You can check my website out, Twisted Flames, www.twistedflamescandleco. But I have my twin flame in here. He is unboxing, and you guys know about twin flames. Well, I wanted to play on that. So we are Twisted Flames because twin flames just sounded a little bit too perfect, and twin flames are not perfect, sometimes twisted. But it's all about that deep connection, about that synchronicity, that spiritual connection, and about coming together and the simplicity of the connection. And that's what my candles are. My candles are about simplicity, and about grasping those memories and helping you to make connections. And that's what I want to do. But anyway, I'm teaching you how to make candles today. You can go on my website and read more about why I got into making candles. They are so soothing and calming. And that's what I want my candles to do for you. Check us out on Instagram. My intro says that our Instagram is only the Andersons. This channel is still only the Andersons, but my Instagram is Twisted Flames Candle Co. TikTok is Twisted Flames Candle Co. So check us out. Not gonna make this intro too long. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be making more candle videos, and let's get busy making this candle. All right, check us out. So here I have some of my inventory. These are my wax belts that I make. And I have, this is one of my popular scents. It's a coffee shop. There you go. And it smells just like a coffee shop. And I have warm cashmere. Let's focus. It won't focus, but warm cashmere is very relaxing. Okay, there is the warm cashmere, and that's dye on my hands. I was working with something else. All right, so here are my new vessels that I am about to clean and test out. Aren't they nice? So first I spray them with alcohol. These are my wicks. I'm testing 5 new scents. One is going to be sweet tea. So I spray my vessels with alcohol and make sure I get all the dust out, and then I clean them with paper towels. I keep the jars in this box to keep my wax warm. time to wick the jars. I made my own template. And I have these wick stickers, these wick tabs on the bottom. And this little template I made just ensures that the wick is centered, and then I use this pin top to press it down.
I'll come back and press it down. I'm testing 5 cents. Get that in there, right there, so it's perfectly centered. And the last one. In there. Done. Now I'll go back with my pen, press it down. That's my first one, then press that one down. And this one. In there. And there. All my wicks are in there.
And you'll see over here, after I wicked my jars, I added what's called Wick Holders, or we call them bow ties too. That's to keep your wicks straight and centered. And now I have my wax over here. I used to use what's called a double boiler method. That's my alcohol. But I pour more candles now, so it takes a while for that with when you're pouring more candles. So now I have this Presto pot, and it keeps it at a certain temperature, and so the wax is over here waiting for me to pour it. It has this little spout, and let's go ahead and pour. So you put your pouring pot on your scale, make sure you tare it to 0, and then for this one candle I'm going to need how much wax?
241 grams.
241 grams, and now it's time to pour. There we go. So we got 242. You need a thermometer because I'm going to pour my oil in at, oh, and my wax needs to be at 170. And I heat it to, I heat my wax to 180. I'm going to pour my oil in. I'm going to mix my oil in at 170. So let me. All right, now it's time to pour. And I am going to stir for 2 minutes. Gently stir it. You don't want bubbles in your candle. This smells amazing. And now it is time to pour. This is the first of the new line. It's strawberries and cream. You pour slowly to the center. Your pouring temperature matters. This is 8.5 ounces. This is going to be a beautiful candle. And I will come back once all of my testers are poured and show you the final results. Stick around. So here you are, all 5 of my new scents have been poured. They are in the box curing. Tops are looking smooth. If these wicks don't work out, I ordered 3 different wicks to try. I think out of 5, at least 2 of the wicks probably will work, just from past history. But we will see. If you have questions, hit me up in the comments. I will be back soon with more candle videos. Thanks for watching.